So Mr. Sarthak, in the following figure ABCD is a parallelogram. So we know that this is parallel to this and this side is parallel to this. DL is perpendicular to AB, this side. DL is perpendicular to AB. AB is equal to 13 centimeter. This whole AB is 13 centimeter is equal to AD. This means that AB as well as AD both are 13 centimeter. Are we clear till here, Mr. Satya, Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, are we okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the area of the parallelogram is 156 centimeter square, find AL. We need to find AL. Have you understood the question or not? Mr. Sarthak, have you understood? Mr. Satya, have you understood?
No, sir.
No, have you understood the question? I'm not asking about the solution. At least have you understood the question?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. Which line you didn't understand?
Sir,
Yeah.
how we have to find the AL? That first I understood this in the following figure 1.
Okay. Have you understood the figure?
Yes.
Okay. So that is not a problem. The first step is to understand the problem. What is the information which is given to us? That is more important. So I'll repeat. ABCD is a parallelogram. Are we clear about this? Is there any doubt about this?
No doubts.
So this line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. So the first step is to understand the question properly. DL is perpendicular to AB. DL is perpendicular to AB. AB is equal to 13 centimeter. AB full is 13 centimeter. And AB and AD are equal. Therefore, this is 13 centimeter as well as this is 13 centimeter. If the area of the parallelogram is 156 centimeter, find AL. So is the question clear or not? That is what I am asking.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, the question is clear. Okay. Now we'll start with the solution. Okay, Satya, what is the area of a parallelogram?
So base into height.
Base into height. Mr. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are given what is the area of the parallelogram, Mr. Satya?
Yes.
What is the area? What is the area of the parallelogram?
Sir, 156 centimeters.
Do we know the base?
Yes, sir. 14 centimeter.
13 centimeter. So can we find the height? Mr. Satya, can we find the height?
Oh, yes, sir.
So the height will be 12 centimeter. Mr. Sarthak, are we okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt till here? Mr. Satya, any doubt till here?
No doubt, sir.
So Mr. Sarthak, this is 12 centimeter. Can you see what is 12 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
This DA is 13 centimeter. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Sarthak, what do you propose? What will be LA? Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem.
Shabash. Very nice. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, let me call LA to be X. So Mr. Sarthak, what will be the Pythagoras theorem?
So 13 square minus, uh, 13 square equal to 12 square plus b square.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So first try to understand the question. You should be very clear about what is given in the question. Once you know the question, then try to use as per your previous knowledge. So for example, in this question, we wanted the area of a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram, you are aware, is base into height. And then once you start doing the question, you will have all the information in front of you. So using this, we found 12 centimeter. Then this was 12 centimeter, this was 13 centimeter. So we could have found this LA using Pythagoras theorem. Satya, any doubt?
No
Mr.
doubt, sir.
Satya, Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, did you like the question?
Yes, sir.
It's an interesting question. A pretty interesting question. Good.